Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'du. May Allah give us all salvation and blessing. Thanks to Allah because we are still given health, favor to be here, and peace and salutation for our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who taught the all people goodness. So, my name is Muhammad Ghifari Naufal. I am from uh, 11th class of TKG. So, today I want to talk about problems about networks. Uh, there are so many problems about the network that we may have experienced, and we are also something not free from problems. An example is a problem in a search or what the often of or used to find information in Chrome and Google. We will discuss problem that we may experience when using Chrome. The internet can now be said to be a basic human need whatever is in various needs. For example, we always open certain websites or link to find information, but unfortunately, some website page can be opened and 505 not found error appears. So, what is what's the what's what is the cause and how to solve the 404 not found error? The 404 not found errors means that a website cannot be opened. This term in academia is called link root or a routing link. These rotten links can be found in reference to to uh, scientific journals. For example, uh, the on read by Tirto.id is the New Zealand journal. It was stated that uh, 70% of the referral links called to be opened and 404 error appeared. Further, we'll review them one by one. The first four refers to an error from the user such as entering the wrong link code. Meanwhile, the next number 04 refers to the absence or known as a syntax error. And what causes the 404 not found error? There are at least three main problems that cause the 404 error to appear, including is wrong URL input. Very often we forgot or enter this URL incorrectly because the URL something those content number and letters aggregate randomly. And catching problems. The second cause of 404 not found is a caching problem. Cache itself is a temporary data storage process for an HTML page with the aim of redundancy bandwidth usage and self-loading. So you could say that this cache is actually a useful technology to display the page of a website faster. There are times when the browser you are using is caching on a website that is being accessed. Even though we website display a notification not found, you will also see a 404 error display even though the website or site can still be opened via other resource browser. And 3. The domain name or DNS settings. There are third things that make a website enable to the openet maybe the domain has a problem. One is that the domain has not progressed to DNS. 3 4 the 404 error display often occurs when you try to access the site. Domain program propagation is a process of redirecting and old domain to a new domain. In domain propagation usually takes a long time. It usually takes several hours or even day. Although the existence of this 404 error sometimes makes us feel uncomfortable, especially if the website is an important site. It does to not mean that it cannot be overcome. However, take it easy. There are several ways to overcome 404 not fun. Check for a broken link using tools is the right thing to do as a way to solve the 505 not found error. An example, the online broken link checker, the the filter offered by this tool is that it can check for broken links on a website or blog. And 3. Clear search and history in your device or your Chrome user. And for do bookmarks. The 404 error display can occur on the website, including even important website. In addition to checking URL errors to anticipate this happening again, you can directly bookmark bookmark the website you are looking for. The goal is to avoid the 404 error so that at any time you look for it, it can be found immediately without having to bother look for it again in search engine. That's the understanding for error 505 that you often find uh, when opening a website and how to solve it. Hopefully these reviews are useful and add to your instinct in the world of the internet. Uh, Maybe enough for me. I'm sorry. There is a wrong to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.